Shraddh, an obligation to ancestors. Shraddh is the fortnight in the first half month of Asoj or Ashwin Krishna Paksha of Hindu Vikram Samvat. This is the time when Pitra or ancestors from previous lifetime are able to approach Earth planet and their descendants. This is the time when they accept the food from their offsprings. The ritual performed not only protects us but also helps in their uplifting. This is also an expression of gratitude to our ancestors for affording us a body through which we can progress in material and spiritual goals. Offerings are made in the form of darpan to provide relief to ancestors from sufferings. Donations to poor and handicaps is also helpful in resolving the distress. Depending on tithis on the date of time, Shraddh is performed on that specific tithi in this fortnight. If the date is not known, it can be performed on first or last day. But on the last day, that is Sarva Pitra Amavasya, Shraddh of all past ancestors is performed for up to 3 generations. Some people go to a nearby pond where a priest performs the ceremony. They use barley, black sesame, seeds, milk and grass to perform it. Chapter of Gitas are recited, especially chapter 15 is recited at the time of rituals. Sometimes a group of people or all members of family also assemble and engage a priest to perform the ritual. Especially when first death anniversary comes, a grand celebration is being made to include the deceased soul into deities. At home, we make the preparation of kheer, puri, aloo ki sabji, curd and a green vegetable. All this is put into a dish and offerings are made at 4 places. One is for cow, one is for dog, one is for beggar and one is for crow. These all 4 offerings are put into a dish and a glass of water is also placed nearby. Water is taken from the glass and a circular motion is performed 4 times to make it sure that the things reach. Food is then offered to priest or Brahmin. After food, he should be given some cloth like dhoti, kurta, some daily utility item and some reasonable amount of dakshina or alms depending on Shraddha. In all, 4 Shraddhs are observed on the first day for Dadiji, on 4th day for my father Ded Shri K.B. Goyal, on 6th day for my mother Srimati Sandhya Goyal and on 9th day for my grandfather Shri Motilalji Goyal. In last, blessings are sought from the Brahmin and the pudis are offered to cow. All the pudis can be offered to the cow if crow, beggar, etc. are not available.